Good morning, students. How are you? Are you enjoying this chapter? Roman numerals. Have you completed Roman numerals from 1 to 39? Now, children, we will start exercise 7. It is based on Roman numerals only. Let us see question number 1. Question number 1 is write the Hindu-Arabic numerals for the following Roman numerals. Okay, Roman numbers are given and you have to write them in Hindu-Arabic form. Okay, the numbers that we use. So what will you do? You'll make two columns. You'll draw a line in between. Okay, over here you will write Roman numeral and over here you will write Hindu-Arabic numeral. Now I have done 3 parts for you, but you will do all the parts from A to H. See, first is this VII. You know that V stands for 5 and I stands for 1. So 5 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 7. So this Roman numeral in Hindu-Arabic numeral it is written as 7. Okay, if you have any doubt in your rough column, you can add and you can solve. BC, you will try it yourself. Next, let us see D part. XXXVI. You know that X stands for 10. 10. 10. V stands for 5 and I stands for 1. Add them all. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1. It is 36. See, it is as simple as that. EFG, again you will do it yourself. I have done H part for you. XXXIX. Now you know that X stands for 10, then again 10, then again 10, and IX is the symbol of 9. So it is X 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 9, 39. Okay, you will do it like this. I have not drawn a line in between, but you will make a line with your red pencil. And over here you will write Roman numeral and over here, okay, right side may Hindu-Arabic numeral and left side may Roman numeral. Okay, do it in a very beautiful systematic way. Next question is fill in the boxes by using greater than, less than or equal to make correct sentence. Okay, you have to compare. Now, again there are F parts. There are total 6 parts in this question. I have done 3 for you. Rest you will do it yourself. I have done 2 for you. See, A part I have done. See, over one side Roman number is written and towards another side, that is right side, Hindu-Arabic numeral is written. So how can you compare them both? First of all, you will convert this Roman number into Hindu-Arabic form. See, what is this? X stands for 10. 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. It's 13. So which is greater, 13 or 15? 15 is greater. So we'll put a greater than sign towards 15. Let me tell you, my dear children, you will not do it like this. You will calculate it in mind and then you will put the sign. First of all, below it, you will write the Roman number in Hindu-Arabic form and then you will put the sign. Understood? Nobody will do like this. First of all, you will convert it into Hindu-Arabic form and then you will put the sign. Am I clear? Chalo. BCD, you will do it yourself. Next, I have done, children, for you F part. See, it's given XXXI and 21. ठीक है, अब XXXI को convert करो हिंदू अरेबिक फॉर्म में, तो it is 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1, 31. So which is greater, 31 or 21? 31 is greater. Understood, beta? Now next question is question number 3. That question number 3 you have to do in book only. Okay. Now let us see how will you do it. See, it's like this. Read and match the time on the following watches. Here few watches are given and here time is given. You have to match the time. ठीक है, ध्यान से देखिए बच्चे. देखो, अब यहाँ पे first of all don't see over here. Over here read the time. See, shorthand is in between 11 and 12. So write 11 over here and bigger hand is at 3. So for calculating minutes, we will multiply by 5. 3 into 5 is 15. So time is 11:15. अब यहाँ पे ढूंढो 11 15 कहाँ है, इट्स ओवर हियर एंड मैच इट. अब यहाँ पे देखो द स्मॉल हैंड इज बिटवीन 1 and 2, so we'll take 1 hour and minutes. The longer hand is towards 6, so 6 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करो क्या आएगा 30, so time is 1:30. अब 1:30 कहाँ पे है, here, match it. अब over here smaller hand is at 6 and longer hand is at 2. 2 5 ja 10, so time is 6:10. Now here see, smaller hand is towards 10, so it is 10 hours, and bigger hand is towards V. V stands for 5. 5 5 ja 25, time is 10:25. Okay, do this question number 3 in book only. Now let us come to question number 4. Question number 4 is write the following in Roman numerals. You have to do this question in notebook, in your maths 2 notebook. अच्छा, इसमें भी सेम वे वी विल डू द क्वेश्चन इन द सेम वे वी डिड क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. ठीक है, राइट हिंदू अरेबिक न्यूमरल टुवर्ड्स वन साइड एंड रोमन न्यूमरल टुवर्ड्स अनदर साइड. ड्रॉ लाइन इन बिटवीन. अब आई हैव डन 3 पार्ट्स फॉर यू. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज 2. अब 2 को रोमन नंबर में कैसे लिखेंगे, यू नो दैट symbol for 1 is I, so for writing 2 we will repeat I 2 times. I. B and C you will do it yourself. Let's see D part. 26. 26 means 10 plus 10 plus 6. अब what is the symbol for 10? X. Then again symbol for 10 X. अब symbol for 6. ठीक है, 6 कैसे लिखेंगे, 5. 5 is V and 1 is I. So it will be X X V I. Understood? Now E, F and G part you will try yourself. Let me tell you H part, which is 37. 37 again children. 37 को tens और ones में divide करोगे तो 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 7. So it is X X X V I. ठीक है, this is the Roman number. You are changing Hindu Arabic into Roman. So children, we did 4 questions today. In question number 1 we changed Roman number into Hindu Arabic form. In question number 2 we put the sign of greater than, less than and equals to. In question number 3 we have done matching in the book, and in question number 4 we have converted Hindu Arabic numeral into Roman numeral. Understood children? Children, you had given your test, which you have done it very nicely, but there were some common mistakes which I would like to discuss with you. Okay, in these questions many students had done the mistakes. They have lost their marks in these questions, so I thought I should discuss this with you. Okay, see it very carefully. If you had not understood these questions, please see nicely, okay, so that you don't commit the same mistakes next time. First common mistake that I found, that many students have done this question number 2 wrong. That was counting by 1000. Write the next numbers. Counting by thousands, बेटा ये मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया था. First of all, what will you do? You will write the places over all the digits. लिख दी सबके ऊपर प्लेसेस. अब जो थाउजेंड्स प्लेस पे जो डिजिट है उसको आप अंडरलाइन कीजिए. 2 है थाउजेंड्स प्लेस पे. अब आपको सारी डिजिट सेम रखनी है, बस 2 को चेंज करते जाना है. ठीक है, अब देखो ऑल डिजिट्स आर सेम. 4, बस 2 की जगह क्या आएगा 3, एंड 510 इज सेम. देन अगेन 4 इज सेम. देन 3 के बाद व्हाट कम्स 4, देन 510 इज सेम. देन अगेन 4, देन आफ्टर 4 व्हाट कम्स 5, then again 510. All numbers are same. Next number is also like this, 4, then thousands place number is changed to 6, and then 510 all are same. देखो अब इसमें क्या changes हुए, this digit has changed, only the digit at thousands place has changed, rest all are same. Understood children? Up question number 5, A part, this was wrong of many students. This number was given and you were asked how many hundreds are there in this number. ठीक है, अब इसमें कुछ बच्चे they were writing only 4. Are there 4 hundreds in this number? No, I told you start underlining from the leftmost digit and underline till hundreds place. ठीक है, लेफ्टमोस्ट पार्ट से स्टार्ट करोगे और हंड्रेड्स प्लेस तक अंडरलाइन करोगे. वट एवर नंबर विल बी फॉर्म दैट मच हंड्रेड्स विल बी देयर इन द गिवन नंबर. So there are 194 hundreds in 19,462. Got it? अब next was very simple question, but many students have done wrong. 2,16,413 you had to write in number form. तो इसमें क्या करना था, पहले प्लेसेस लिखा करो, इसलिए बेटा मैं बार बार बोलती हूँ फर्स्ट राइट द प्लेसेस. वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, लाख. अब पुट करते जाओ. 2 लाख पुट हेयर, 16,000 here, 416 here. Got it? If you would have done this way, then your answer would have been absolutely correct. Now, this question number 8 was wrong of maximum number of students. Now, every one of you will listen to me very, very, very carefully how to do this question. Okay, question number 8. You have to form smallest 6-digit number using only 2 digits. कितनी digits यूज करनी है आपको? 2. और क्या बनाना है? स्मॉलेस्ट 6-digit नंबर. अच्छा, अब मैंने क्या रूल बताया आपको? स्मॉलेस्ट 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit, 4 digit जो भी बनाना है उसका क्या रूल है? Whatever the digits are given, arrange them in ascending order. अब here तो no digits are given. कोई डिजिट गिवन है आपको? नहीं, बस दे आर सेइंग स्मॉलेस्ट 6-digit नंबर बनाओ कोई भी 2 digits यूज करके. अब स्मॉलेस्ट बनाना है तो सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट 2 digit लेंगे हम. कौन सी है स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट? 0 है और 0 के बाद 1 है. अब 0 को यूज करके और 1 को यूज करके स्मॉलेस्ट 6-digit नंबर बनाना है. ठीक है, अब हम, अगर मैं बोलती हूँ आपको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखो, ठीक है, स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बनाने के लिए, अब 0 0 0 0 0 1 तो नहीं बना सकते क्योंकि इसका मतलब तो हुआ आपने 1 लिखा है, बट आपको तो 6-digit नंबर बनाना है. तो मैंने आपको बोला था ना 0 का हमेशा क्या पोजीशन होती है? सेकंड पोजीशन. सो 1 you will write here towards the leftmost side followed by 5 zeros. This is your smallest 6-digit number using 2 digits. इसमें 2 digits यूज हुई हैं, 1 यूज हुआ है और 0 यूज हुआ है. आया समझ? Okay, now come to next part, all different digits. Now they are saying you will make smallest 6-digit number but you will use all different digits. सारी अलग अलग digits यूज करनी है. अब बताइए, असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करेंगे. ठीक है, 2 digits बोला था तो हमने सबसे छोटी 2 digits ले ली, 0 और 1. अब all different digits बोला है तो we have to take 6 digits. ठीक है, अब हम ले लेते हैं 0 1 2 3 4 5. देखो काउंट करो कितनी हुई, 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits हो गई. अब इन digits को यूज करके स्मॉलेस्ट 6-digit नंबर बनाना है. कैसे बनाएंगे? अब ये लिख दें 0 1 2 3 4 5. ये तो नहीं लिख सकते क्योंकि 0 से तो हम कोई नंबर भी स्टार्ट नहीं कर सकते. सो वी विल स्टार्ट विद 1 फॉलोड बाय 0 बिकॉज 0 की क्या पोजीशन होती है हमेशा? सेकेंड. 1 0 2 3 4 5. This is the smallest 6-digit number using 5 digits. Sorry, using 6 different digits. Understood? देखो सारे digits same है, no digit is repeating. Got it? Now one more question was there which was wrong of many students and I don't know why, because it is very simple question. It was given you have to find one more than this number, 99,09,999. अच्छा एक बात बताओ, in third class मैम has taught you successor and predecessor. अब successor में क्या करते थे हम? We used to add 1 and find the next number. And in predecessor what we used to do? -1 and find the previous number. ठीक है, अब इसमें ये नहीं लिखा find the successor of this number, बस they have written one more than this number. More than का मतलब क्या होता है? You have to add. तो अगर बेटा आपको ऐसे माइंड में ऐड करने में प्रॉब्लम आती है तो आप ऐसे +1 करके अच्छे से मैनुअली ऐड करो. ठीक है, कैरी ओवर लेके प्रॉपरली एंड देन यू विल सी व्हाट आंसर यू विल गेट. You will get the answer 1 lakh. It was the simplest question. Okay, I hope children you will not commit these type of mistakes again, and then next time I want 100% marks from every one of you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, you can approach me. Okay, nobody will say I had not understood. I am there to help you. Okay, so please children, if you have done mistakes anywhere in your test, practice those questions again and again. I could not take all the questions, so I have taken common mistakes where maximum students have done the mistakes. Okay, thank you dear children.